Nonplussed. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Nonplussed is an adjective, a word that describes something, or in this case, dahil ginagamit siya sa tao, someone. Now, I decided to include this sa Word of the Day series natin kasi this is an interesting word that has two definitions. Una ay yung kanyang actual o formal na definition. To be nonplussed is to be perplexed. Confused a little, pero yung hindi mo alam kung ano sasabihin mo or gagawin mo sa isang sitwasyon. Kung merong shocking na balita o hindi mo in-expect, you would be nonplussed. But there is a second definition that kind of twists the meaning of the word and uses it for someone who is indifferent, unbothered, kumbaga. At magkaiba yung dalawang ibig sabihin na yun. Pero kung iisipin mo nga naman, a person who is nonplussed can look the same way. Probably you would have the same blank expression, the same still expression as someone who is unbothered. So, paano mo malalaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng nonplussed sa isang sentence kung may kausap ka na ginamit ito? Doon na papasok yung kahalagahan ng context clues. Pero kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, syempre we will use yung mas formal niyang definition. We could say something like, Maria was completely nonplussed when she heard her name. She never expected to win the grand prize. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para hindi niyo makalimutan, gamitin niyo na sentence. Comment niyo sa baba and don't forget to follow me for more.